These coaches were supposed to go towards Hubballi at this time.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
Two new special trains have been introduced between Bengaluru and Hubballi, and this video will give you the details on rate sharing arrangement between them. The train is maintained at Hubballi Junction. The train consists of 16 ICF coaches with 6 unreserved coaches, 7 sleeper, 2 3-tier AC and 1 2-tier AC. The cycle starts at Hubballi with the train number 07339. The train departs Hubballi Junction at 11:15 pm in the night and arrives KSR Bengaluru at 6:50 in the morning the next day. The train which we saw at the start of the video is this one, and on the first day itself the train was running late by 1 hour. The same formation will continue as 07353 Bengaluru Hubballi special. This will be a daytime train with sleeper accommodation. It starts at KSR Bengaluru at 7:30 in the morning and reaches Hubballi by 2:30 pm. I hope you all understood what I meant at the start of the video with the line, these coaches were supposed to go towards Hubballi at this time. This train was rescheduled by 1 hour on its first run itself. And I'm pretty sure this will be a regular sequence because of number of trains which arrive early morning to KSR Bengaluru on the Hubballi side, which has only 3 platforms, platform 8, platform 9 and platform 10. The train comes back to KSR Bengaluru with the number 07354. It departs Hubballi Junction at 3:15 pm in the afternoon and reaches KSR Bengaluru at 11:10 in the night. The cycle finishes with train number 07340 special. It departs KSR Bengaluru at 11:55 pm in the night and reaches Hubballi at 7:30 am the next day. The train will then undergo maintenance at Hubballi Junction, after which the cycle repair.